Let's talk about Ripple and SEC clash. Looking at the decisions and potential appeals loom. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Crypto Educate channel. Before we dive deep into today's topic, you know your support is important to me. Kindly like my video, share it, subscribe, comment, and please watch to the end. Without any further ado, let's get down to business. The current real-time XRP price is 50 cents, and its trading volume is $699.3 million in the last 24 hours. XRP prices grew by 0.53% in the last day and decreased by 6.3% in the last 7 days. It's important to note that current XRP market capitalization is $27.8 billion and the maximum supply is 100 billion XRP coins. Talking about circulating supply, XRP has 55.3 billion coins. Currently, XRP rank on the market is 7. XRP price today is 32.07% below all-time high, and it is 17,872.24% above all-time low. XRP advanced by 1.10100% on Monday, May 13th, closing the session at 5,048 cents. SEC versus crypto cases and an ongoing investigation into crypto conflicts of interest within the SEC were the focal point for investors. On Tuesday, May 14th, SEC activity and SEC versus crypto case related news need consideration. On Monday, May 13th, XRP gained 1.10%. Partially reversing a 1.36% loss from Sunday, May 12th, XRP closed the session at 5,048 cents. SEC versus Ripple and the Inspector General investigation. On Monday, May 13th, there was no SEC versus Ripple case related news to consider. According to the court schedule, Ripple, the SEC, and any third parties filed omnibus letter motions to seal remedies related briefing materials, including the supporting exhibits. On Monday, May 20th, the parties and any third parties must file letter briefs opposing the omnibus letter motions. Then the parties must file redacted versions of all documents within 14 days of the court's ruling on the omnibus sealing motions. Significantly, the court will then deliberate and decide the penalty for breaching of securities laws. Investors hoping for an end to the saga may face disappointment. After the case, the SEC plans to appeal against the programmatic sales of XRP ruling. While investors await the court ruling on the Ripple penalty, the Office of Inspector General IG investigation also needs consideration. In February, U.S. government watchdog Empower Oversight announced the IG was nearing a conclusion to its investigation of alleged crypto conflicts of interest within the SEC. The investigation has direct links to the ongoing SEC versus Ripple case. Significantly, the outcome could influence SEC plans to appeal the programmatic sales ruling. William Hinman, Jay Clayton, and crypto conflicts of interest. In 2021, Empower Oversight filed a lawsuit against the SEC, claiming former SEC staff acted with bias against Ripple Labs and XRP. The lawsuit alleged former SEC Director of the Division of Corporation Finance, William Hinman, received millions of dollars from former employer Simpson Thacker while working at the SEC. Hinman famously said Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities. Simpson Thacker is part of a group that promotes enterprise Ethereum. Court documents revealed Hinman continued to meet with Simpson Thacker despite warnings from the SEC Ethics Division. The link between the SEC and Ethereum extended to former SEC Chair Jay Clayton. In March, Empower Oversight sent a letter to the FOIA citing concerns regarding former SEC Chair Jay Clayton. Significantly, Empower Oversight highlighted Jay Clayton joined BTC and ETH-focused hedge fund One River Asset Management after leaving the SEC. During his tenure at the SEC, Clayton stated BTC was not a security and affirmed Hinman's view about ETH. Notably, Clayton became an advisor for Electric Capital in 2022. Electric Capital is an investor in Consensus, an Ethereum developer. In April, Consensus made the crypto news by filing a lawsuit against the SEC. Consensus stated that the SEC should not be allowed to arbitrarily expand its jurisdiction to include regulating the future of the internet by wrongly labeling ETH security. The investigation will unlikely affect the court ruling on the penalty Ripple must pay for breaching of securities laws. However, the outcome of the investigation could affect SEC plans to appeal the programmatic sales of XRP ruling. An end to SEC plans to appeal could be a boon for XRP. If we look at the daily chart, XRP sat well beneath the 50-day and 200-day EMAs, sending bearish price signals. An XRP breakout from the trend lines could give the bulls a run at the 50-day EMA. A break above the 50-day EMA would support a move toward the 200-day EMA. and the 5,739 cents resistance level. Investors should monitor CC activity and SEC versus crypto case related news. Conversely, an XRP fall through the $0.4950 zero could give the bears a run at sub 48 cents. The 14-day RSI reading, 42.74, suggests an XRP break below the 48 cents handle before entering oversold territory. Here on the 4-hourly, XRP remained below the 50-day and 200-day EMAs. The EMAs affirmed the bearish price signals. A move through the trend lines and 50-day EMA could bring the 200-day EMA and the 5,361 cents resistance level into play. Selling pressure could intensify at the top trend line. The 50-day EMA is confluent with the top trend line. However, an XRP drop below the $0.4950 zero could bring sub 48 cents levels into play. The 14-day RSI reading 45.98 indicates an XRP drop to the 48 cents handle before entering oversold territory. Ladies and gentlemen, recently a crypto pundit, Edward Farina, recently shared a response from David Schwartz, CTO at Ripple, regarding the likely value impact if banks adopted XRP. Schwartz argues that the widespread adoption of XRP by banks could lead to a significant increase in demand, which could, in turn, drive up its price. Schwartz uses the example of Uber to illustrate how XRP can facilitate faster cross-border payments. Uber requires drivers to have immediate access to funds after completing a trip, and fiat currency transactions can be slow and cumbersome. XRP as a digital asset can be transferred quickly and efficiently, allowing Uber to instantly settle drivers' payments. This efficiency applies to a wide range of businesses. Companies like Airbnb and Amazon also require the ability to process international payments rapidly. Traditional institutions such as Seagate are known to stash funds around the world to expedite domestic payments, even at the expense of slower international transactions. Schwartz explains that XRP can function as a bridge currency, essentially converting an international payment into two domestic transactions with XRP acting as an intermediary asset. This streamlining process could significantly benefit banks and other financial institutions by reducing processing times and fees associated with international payments. Increased demand for XRP resulting from its adoption by banks could lead to a positive feedback loop. As more banks embrace XRP, its utility and value proposition become more attractive to other banks, potentially leading to even greater adoption and a corresponding rise in price. It is important to note that the cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile and speculative. While increased adoption by banks could be a positive indicator for XRP, it does not guarantee a surge in value. The overall health of the cryptocurrency market, regulatory considerations, and unpredictable economic factors can all influence its price. Despite the inherent uncertainty of the crypto market, Schwartz's response underscores the potential for XRP to revolutionize the way financial institutions process international payments. In a nutshell, if XRP can gain widespread traction among banks, it could significantly increase its demand and potentially lead to a substantial price rise. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to stop here for now, and remember that financial markets are unpredictable. Experts can be wrong in their predictions. Therefore, it is important to do your own due diligence before investing and never invest more than what you can afford to lose. The chaotic price movements can humble even the smartest and most experienced players. Thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting my channel. See you all in my next video.